Hi guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating a spread in my classic size happy planner that is the horizontal layout that I use for daily, everyday journaling, just kind of as like a memory keeper of what all went on in our lives day to day. So I have two washi tapes picked out to match Infatuation. So these are some new florals that I have just released in my shop. All stickers are 50% off. If you go to pleasantlyplanned.com, you can grab yours up for 50% off. So let's see. I think I want to do something bold and extravagant today. Do I? I do. I really do. So I think I'm going to do a big cluster in the center of the left side of the page, and then do a cluster and a cluster. I don't know. Let's see what we can do. So let's try. I'm going to use my large sticker sheet, which has my large florals in it. And I'm actually going to do something I never do, and that is start by laying down florals. So I normally, this actual planner, because I'm using the wellness and the faith, I don't need a lot of room to write everything down in this planner. But when I was only using this planner for daily journaling, what I would do, because I always added a lot of decorative elements to my weekly spread, I would always grab a sheet of fill paper and decorate it to match the spread, and then put it in between the two sheets for the weekly spread, so that I could continue each day if I needed to, if I ran out of room. But I don't foresee that being an issue, just because, like I said, I have my wellness and I have my faith planner now, so I kind of have plenty of planner space, if that makes sense. So let's try. All right, so we're gonna do here. So I want another big floral down here. So let's pause on that. And which one do we want to use? This one. Let's use this one down here. So what we're going to do is lay florals down and then lay boxes down to kind of coordinate with the florals, if that makes sense. This is something I've never really done. I normally lay my boxes down and then decorate florals around my boxes. But today we're going to be different. So I do need some quotes. So let's grab my quotes and see what we can do here. This is already like really pretty, just as it is. So all right, I need to put these back in order. I kind of want to use these two from Faith Quotes 2. So let's just go with that. Before I file anything back the way it's supposed to go, let's just use those two. Let your faith be bigger than your fear, and I will walk by faith even when I cannot see. So let's see. Let's put I will walk by faith even when I cannot see right down here. And I like to take the lines that are on the spread and use it to line up my sticker. So I've been using the white background stickers, but I said this in my last video, I had already printed and cut clear sticker paper for all of these spreads. So I'm kind of regretting that, because I'm really loving the white sticker paper, the white background sticker paper, because when I use clear, I have to off camera go through and flatten out everything to make the stickers look like they actually were printed on the page. But when I use the white paper, I don't have to do that. So kind of regretting that I didn't print these in the white, but it is what it is. So all right, let's take this. I love these colors too, by the way. They're like shabby chic, almost like farmhouse spring summer colors. I don't know, these colors just make me happy. They're really muted and just kind of dainty and happy. All right, so we got that. And then let's, actually, I'm going to peel this up because I got to go with the same kind of theme here. I'm going to take my small sticker sheet and I'm going to lay down this sticker. I'm going to lay it like right here and then put that box over top of it. Look how gorgeous that is, y'all. I mean, like that, it's just, you can't deny that this is so pretty. Okay, so now let's take some, this is my dotted washi tape, and with these really pretty muted farmhousey colors, I think the dotted washi tape is just going to be gorgeous. So let's see how we can kind of incorporate it into this spread. And then I also have this really cute, so this came from Amazon. I can't promise you where this came from. Probably Amazon too, but I don't have a link. I will try my best to find a link. But if you just look for like black and white washi tape on Amazon, you should be able to find some dotted, polka dotted washi. I did actually order some black and white polka dot washi from Etsy at one point. So it could possibly come from Etsy too, but I think Amazon has quite a selection now on washi tape, so hopefully you can find some polka dot washi if you're looking for it. So let's just take those to pink, just to tie in the pink there, and then I think I'm going to go up top with some more polka dots, and then I think this page is going to be done. And like I said, if I do run out of room, I will certainly grab a sheet of fill paper, stick a couple leftover florals on it, make it match the spread, and I'll just insert it in between the week. I don't foresee that actually needing to be a thing, but if it is, that's what I will do. So I still have plenty of room on Monday, Tuesday, and then I can do anything here. Wednesday, I mean, I normally write in all of the open spaces. So I still have plenty of room to write my daily journal. So, all right, now let's try another big cluster on this side. So let's see what we can do. I kind of want to do the opposite. So I want to flip-flop what I did here. So I want to do a long box and then a short box. So let's try this. Down at the bottom, let's see, I want to do it down here, and then let's take the long pink box. Actually, I need to, where is my wax paper? Okay, so I need to lay the pink box down here, and then I think I might put my quote down at the bottom. Okay, so let's plan on that, putting the quote down at the bottom. So let's put a big floral here, a little box here, and maybe a big floral here. So let's see what we can do here. Let's take this floral. All right, so we're gonna start down here. That's why I love the wax paper, because you can kind of use it to pre-plan where you want to lay everything, because you can see behind it. So, and then let's take the orange box, or maybe, yeah, we're going to take an orange box and put here. I don't know, maybe up. Let's go up a little bit and take the orange box and go up, and then take a floral and go this way. So let's take this floral. I'm trying to envision this in my head as I go. So let's take this floral and kind of go this way. And we'll see what happens, okay? So this is trial and error, total trial and error. So let's go down here, go there, and then let's take an orange box. I would take a green box, but I don't want green and green. So let's take this orange box and slide it over some. I do want to white out. I don't like the color of, like, when I overlay boxes, I don't like the color to show through the box that's on top, because it kind of messes me up whenever I'm writing in it. I don't know, it's just, it's probably my OCD, but it does, it messes me up. So now we want to take, let your faith be bigger than your fear, and I want to overlay it here. So we're going to overlay right there with your. Trying to mark my spot with my finger. So I want to go your right here. And then we'll overlay over top of the box and the florals. So we have this gorgeous cluster. Look how pretty that is. And now I just need to add some of my spotty washi and a little bit of my pink washi to my boxes. So let's go with, on this orange box, let's go up top. We'll cut off this excess. I'm not going to put any on the pink box because the pink box is pink. So we're not going to do that. So let's take this. Now I don't want to go directly across. I want to like stagger, if that makes sense. So what we're going to do is take some of this washi. I think I'm going to go this way actually because it's already ripped this way. Actually, that's messed up. But we're going to go this way. Right here. And then cut this. Uh-oh, I ripped my page. That's nothing new. Okay, so we have that, and then I have nothing here, nothing here. So I think I'm going to do a little bit over here, and then maybe a little over here. So let's try this. Let's just try here. And then since I have it down at the bottom on this side, I want to go up top here. I think I'm going to just leave notes though. I'm not even going to try to cover it up because you will be able to see it behind the washi. And that's okay, because if I do want to put notes, I need to be able to see notes behind the washi. So look how pretty this, oh, these dainty florals are gorgeous with that polka dot washi. Look how pretty it is, y'all. So now what I have to do off camera is I'll go through and I'll smooth out every clear sticker that I have so that you cannot tell really that it's a sticker. This is why I'm really leaning towards using my white matte paper for my stickers, because I don't have to do that. Like, they automatically look like they were printed on the paper. So I'll do that off camera, but y'all let me know in the comments below how dainty and gorgeous and like shabby chic does this look. I love it. It's like 1000% my style. So let's put it back in my planner, see what it actually looks like on the discs. I used almost a whole large sticker sheet. All right, so let's see. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you like content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram. I'm not as good about posting on Instagram as I am on YouTube, but I do try. So this is it for this video. Make sure you head over to my website, pleasantlyplanned.com. Grab all of your favorite floral and box stickers for 50% off. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Love y'all. Bye, guys.